Welcome back to The Explainer. Today is day 9 of our focus on the IT director, specifically looking at the Helpdesk triage agent. Let's face it, IT departments are literally drowning in thousands of support requests every single month. So, we're cutting through all the AI hype today to show you how you can actually automate your Helpdesk with Copilot, and exactly why a basic out-of-the-box agent just isn't going to cut it anymore. Let's get right into it.
So, quick question. Are your chatbots actually holding your business back? I mean, for years now, we've basically treated AI like this rigid chat interface, right? You ask a question, you get a pre-programmed answer. But if that is all your setup is doing, you're missing the whole shebang. We have to stop looking at AI as just a simple chatbot and start treating it like a highly capable digital employee.
And this brings us to a total game changer known as agentic AI. An AI agent isn't just a dumb script. It's this incredibly powerful companion that handles complex conversations and, more importantly, autonomously figures out the absolute best action to take. It coordinates language models, securely taps into your enterprise knowledge base, and uses triggers to actually get things done for you.
Okay, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Beyond basic chatbots. 2. Building Microsoft Copilot agents. 3. The IT Helpdesk transformation. 4. The integration execution gap. 5. Protecting enterprise data. And finally, number 6, measuring the business ROI.
All right, jumping right into section 1, beyond basic chatbots.
So look at this contrast here. On one side, we have traditional robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA is great, but it's super rigid. It completely relies on structured data and strict deterministic rules. But AI agents, they're dynamic. They can actually reason their way through messy, unstructured data, like, say, a rambling, frustrated email from an employee, and make smart, contextual decisions. This literally pushes automation into complex areas we used to think only humans could handle. Moving on to section 2, building Microsoft Copilot agents. Now, the really cool thing here is how accessible this has all become. You don't need a computer science degree to get started. It's basically a simple 4-step DIY process. You literally just open Copilot Studio, name your agent, let's call it IT support, upload your existing IT knowledge base straight from SharePoint, and boom, deploy it directly to Microsoft Teams. Just like that, in minutes, you've got an AI reading your manuals and answering questions. But, and this is a big but, here is where you hit a brick wall. That DIY agent is great at spitting out troubleshooting steps. But what happens when the user can't actually fix the issue themselves? The real danger here is that a basic agent absolutely cannot bridge the gap to action. It can't autonomously log in and create a complex ticket in ServiceNow. It just hands over the instructions and leaves all the heavy lifting to your human team. Which leads perfectly into section 3, the IT Helpdesk transformation. So imagine this micro-narrative playing out thousands of times a month. A user asks a complex question. The agent searches SharePoint, tries to guide them through self-service. But when that inevitably fails sometimes, the agent doesn't just give up. It actually creates a ServiceNow incident completely on its own. And not just a blank ticket. It pre-populates all the user's context, their device info, what they've already tried. This exact workflow drops IT ticket volumes instantly with zero added headcount. Let's look at section 4, the integration execution gap. To actually pull off that kind of autonomous execution, businesses are teaming up with specialized partners. Take my company, OMNIai, for example. We design and integrate AI agents for businesses, specifically tailored for their unique workflows. OMNIai uses Copilot Studio to build autonomous IT agents that do way more than just chat. They diagnose issues and orchestrate platforms like ServiceNow, effectively running your operations quietly in the background. And it goes way beyond just IT helpdesk triage. These customized autonomous agents handle all sorts of complex stuff. Insanely fast lead responses for sales? Done. Orchestrating ServiceNow incidents? Easy. Matching payments and chasing invoices in finance? Or even screening HR candidates? Check and check. These are seamless, multi-step actions running your revenue and operations without having to hire more staff. I really want this quote from our sources to sink in for a second. You're not buying AI. You're buying speed, consistency, and execution. That hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? The real value of bringing in an integration partner isn't just slapping a trendy AI sticker on your business. It's about flawless, high-speed execution of your daily tasks.
All right, section 5, protecting enterprise data. Now, as amazing as all this power is, we have to talk guardrails. This is absolutely crucial. AI agents will answer using whatever they can read, period. If you roll these out without locking down your source permissions first, that agent inherits and exposes every single permission flaw you have. If an employee accidentally has access to a highly sensitive folder, the Copilot agent has it too, and it will cheerfully summarize those private files if asked. Yikes!
Let me give you a terrifying real-world example of this from our sources. Say a research team uses OneDrive for clinical trials. They think the data is completely de-identified, but oops, medical record numbers are left hidden in some spreadsheet columns. A user asks the AI agent a simple question about the trial, and the agent retrieves those sheets, exposing unredacted protected health information. Boom! Massive HIPAA compliance breach. This is exactly why automated access certification is just non-negotiable.
Okay, final section, Section 6, Measuring the Business ROI.
353%. Let that sink in. 353%. That's a massive metric from a recent Forrester study. They found that small and medium-sized businesses that safely deploy Microsoft Copilot can project up to a 353% return on investment over just 3 years. No way, right? But the data absolutely backs it up.
Let's break down where that crazy ROI actually comes from. It's this awesome double whammy of dropping costs and boosting productivity. The study shows a projected 6% increase in net revenue, alongside a 20% reduction in operating costs, since agents are handling the routine grind. Plus, new hire onboarding, it accelerates by 25% because they essentially have a personal AI assistant showing them the ropes from day one.
So here's the big takeaway to leave you with. In 5 years, running a business without Copilot is going to be like trying to run a company today using typewriters instead of computers. It's just not going to work. If you are ready to automate your help desk securely, you can book your Agent Fit call below. Also, remember to like this explainer, share it with a business colleague or friend, and subscribe at OMNIai UK for more detailed insights on using AI agents as your digital employees. See you next time.